Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you one website where we can create a very high quality do follow article submission backlink. So the website name is herbaltricks.com, and this site is very dedicated for the article submission. You can see this is the article recently published on this platform. So this is a dashboard. So before the started we can research something about that website. So according to Acharya, the domain rating is 32, and according to Moj, the domain authority is 55 and the spam score is 0%. And according to similar web, this website having 7.6k monthly visits, and mostly traffic from India, Pakistan and United States and another country. So this website having that kind of country traffic, so if you're wanting to increase crawlability, audience, traffic source, brand building from that kind of countries, then must you guys will create your backlink on this site. So now we have completed our research process, so now we can start. So you can see this is a website dashboard, and I can provide this website URL over the description section, so where you can access this website easily. So first thing, you can click on the sign up button, and there you can add your username, your email address. Then you can reconfirm your email address. Then after that, there you can add your password, and after that you can verify your captcha. This video is sponsored by Intensely. So every businesses should get listed on Intensely. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO. Quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlink to your sites. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your businesses plus 10 of your clients. Then you can click on the create a new account button. So you can see we have successfully created our account, and this site will send you a verification email, but a verification email should take a couple of time to you can receive later. Then once you receive, then you can verify your profile, but you can create but you are able to create your article backlink on this site before verification, without verification. So after that, you can click on the add button, and there is a title button, so you can title section. So we have already generated our content, so let me publish a fresh article on this site. And you can see if I can, so there you can choose your category. So my category is employment software, yeah. And after that, there you can start adding your content. So suppose that this is my article. So first I can like to add emails on this article. I'm not sure this email should be work. Long description, and preview is not generated because okay, so we need to use our website URL. Our website, this image is not embeddable, so you can use which image. Okay, so right now we don't have image, so we can proceed with only content. So you guys can simply copy your content, and you can paste in this box in this body section, and after that you can optimize your headings. So heading should be already taken as a formatted. So it is heading is h2, and the secondary heading is h2, and everything is placed as how I copied. So you can align your content, then you can start publishing. Yeah, so I think everything looks good. And if you wanting to follow backlinks, so if you can insert your website URL, any um, your targeted keyword in this section, so your backlink should be going to no follow. But if you wanting to follow backlink as well, so there is total four option to where you can insert your website URL, and you can get a do follow backlink. Okay, so let me use my website's product pages. I'm going to create a do follow backlink for my product pages. So let me add over there. Then I can insert my website URL, live video interviewing software, and let me insert page URL. And the next one is written multi-choice audio and audio assessment. And the coding assessment for the technical hire. So once you complete your all things, then after that, now the time is to you can publish your article. So you can click on the save button. So you can see our article is successfully submitted. So after that, you can click on the lists button, and you are able to found your article landing page URL. So you can see this is the article what we have published now. So you can click on this, and you will see this is your article landing page URL, and you can see this is a no follow backlink. But if I can show you for this, so this is a do follow backlink. You can see this is a do follow backlink with your targeted keyword. And I can also show you in incognito, so this is a instant approved backlink or not. So you can see this is a instant approval backlink, and this is the content, and this is the backlink what we inserted. So this is a process for the backlinking on this site. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching, guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project and suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section. From there you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will understand, and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.